Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Harifat Adeshewa, and as we all know, I talk about the Sunnah of the Prophet, the Hadith, and whatever contributes to Islam in general. And on today, I want to talk about a crucial topic, which is based on women in Islam. As a Muslim, you have to cover. You have to cover. Yoruba people will say, if tó bá fẹ́ jẹ́ òṣàkálá, jẹ́ òṣàkálá. Tó bá fẹ́ jẹ́ òṣàkólú, jẹ́ òṣàkólú. Why are you doing òṣàkálá ṣòkòlò? This clearly means that if you want to do something, do it perfectly. And if you don't want to do that thing, don't do it. Why are you walking in a zigzag manner? Why, as a Muslim, why would you say that? Because why would you regard covering part of your hair as covering your hair? You covered half of your hair and you leave half of your hair. It is not done in Islam, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala frowns against it. Even this act, as a Muslim, if an angel sees your ear, angel always curses any woman that leaves the hair open, because the hair is like a mirror in front of the angel. Imagine you reflecting, putting a mirror in the sun, pointing it directly to somebody's eyes. You know how bright it will be. So this is how our hair feels like in the sight of the angels, and the angels curses anyone who go out of the house with an open hair. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in Quran chapter 7 verse 26, he said, O ye children of Adam, we have bestowed on you a radiance to cover your shame and as well to be an adornment on you. What does this verse simply talk to us about? It says that Allah has provided us a garment, something that we are going to wear to cover up our shame. In a layman understanding of what shame is, normally when a woman dressed anyhow in the public, you will see where all these thugs and all these radical guys saying, hello, fine girl, what's up, all those kind of things. Allah has given us a garment to wear, which will also serve as something that's going to preserve our nudity, something that's going to preserve us. And if you also check Quran 24 verse 31, Allah also states that women are supposed to cover up. And also Quran 33 verse 59, O Prophet, tell your wife and your daughters and the women of the believers to draw their cloaks around them when they leave the house. That will be better, so that they may be recognized and not annoyed. Allah is ever forgiving and ever merciful. This particular ayah states that Allah commanded the Prophet ﷺ to tell his wife and daughters and other Muslim believers to draw their cloak. And what does this cloak mean? Cloak is like a garment, something that we wear. He said we should draw our cloak round to us, so that it's going to serve as a cover for us whenever we go outside. And in a real and actual sense of it, it does not actually make a common sense when you call yourself a Muslim and then we are seeing your ear. You said you are covered up, but then we are seeing your ear. We need to do better as a Muslim woman. We need to do better as a husband. Husbands, so we need to caution our wives. Brothers, caution your sisters. Fathers, caution your daughters. They should always leave the house well dressed. Let's use a sweet as an example. Imagine us having a wrapped sweet and unwrapped sweet. We throw it on the floor. Which one would you pick? Obviously, the one that it is wrapped. So we Muslim women should see the hijab that we are wearing as a form of blessing, as a form of Allah showing us that you are my servant, I love you very much, and I don't want anybody to say any bad words to you or to be disrespectful to you or to see you as a cheap thing. With this few thoughts of mine, I feel that we are able to pick one or two from it, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala continue to guide us and protect us, and may He make us among those who is going to enter Al-Jannah, and may He not pour all our good deeds on us by the special grace of God, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala continue to guide us and increase us in knowledge, and may Allah soften our hearts to the extent that whenever we hear that have said, whenever we hear the words of God, we should always abide to it. Nobody's perfect. Nobody is all knowing. We are all trying. We are all striving. And I pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala should continue to guide us and guide us to the right path. And may He not allow us to go astray. Thank you very much. As remains our viewers at the show. See you in my next video. Bye.